We've got a free morning tomorrow. What shall we do?
Why don't we go on a tour?
I prefer to explore things on my own. It's more fun and you get to meet local people.
Maybe, but we haven't got much time. And a tour is a good way to see the sights quickly, don't you agree? Look, here's a leaflet for a city jogging tour.
That sounds interesting, but the weather forecast isn't great, and I don't fancy running in the rain.
OK, but I still think we should go on a tour. Look, here's another one. It's called East End Explorer, and there's a local person as the tour guide.
So we would get to know local people?
Yes, and you can go shopping too.
OK, you've persuaded me. Let's book it.
Great. You won't regret it.